Hi, everybody. We are so excited for such a fabulous week that we're having at Oracle Cloud World. I have the privilege of having Rod Johnson here with me today. Rod is the Executive Vice President of Cloud Applications for Oracle here in North America. Thank you for joining me today.
Yeah.
First question. It has been a fantastic week. You guys have made some incredible announcements and you had a phenomenal earnings statement.
Yeah.
Share with us a little bit about what has been the most exciting for you.
Well, the number one thing, besides spending time with you, of course, is just all of our customers.
Yeah.
You know, we have 15,000
Yeah.
customers here, and just to hear their stories, how they're making a difference with their business, the transformation. So that's number one. You know, the customers are doing so many incredible things to transform finance and employee experience and their supply chain and customer experience, and see them up there sharing their stories with other customers is obviously what this is all about. And then the other thing is just the pace of innovation. It's you know, it's staggering to me just to see the immense power of the Oracle engineering teams and what they've been working on. And obviously generative AI is huge, and 100 new use cases we've rolled out already. The next intelligent agents we're delivering, what we're doing in the supply chain area to really revolutionize how we connect and that infrastructure. So much wealth of like great innovation.
Yeah, I'll build on that actually and say, like, when you're talking about our customers and innovation, we've got wonderful customers out here with us today. The NFL is one of them. And one of the most fascinating things they're doing with Oracle Cloud is they're looking at how they're going to use their data to revolutionize the game. And where they started was with a finance transformation. That is just their starting point. And now they are moving into work around generative AI. When you think about your partnerships, Safra has said partnership is the new leadership, which I love.
I love that.
So when you think about all of your partnerships, of course, and ours, how do you see those partnerships evolving with the pace of innovation?
Yeah, I think every customer is sort of asking now, they know that digital tools, digital technologies are essential. Any business. That's been true for a long time. I just think that's amplified so much more with this next wave of innovation that we're all sort of trying to harness. So I think the partnership is just the intimacy, the intimacy of really understanding what are these key outcomes they're trying to grab hold of. You know, whether it's an outcome to I was talking to one of our clients today in the defense sector.
Right.
Like, how do we help our military professionals like spend less time working on administrative stuff, more time doing their mission? And I think that end user and how we're really helping impact what really matters most.
Rod, something we did this week was launch our digital core research together. And what I love about talking about digital core research is when our customers buy Oracle Cloud, they get a digital core, right? And so when you are thinking about data and what that digital core is, what do our clients need to do now to make sure that they're getting it right as they are looking at that pace of innovation?
What I love about your research is you guys really look at the problems holistically. Obviously, you can do little things at the edge that maybe have some advantage, but if you don't get the digital core right, then if you don't have that foundation, that platform to have sustained innovation, sustained impact. And I think the biggest topic that we're spending a lot of time with clients, again, is data.
That's right.
Everyone's recognized data. Data is a business asset.
Yeah.
And it needs to be protected and secured, but we need to be able to harness it and organize it.
Yeah.
And it's obviously something that Oracle is built on. You know, we started as the number one data company, but that's that heritage of what we do now in the application layer, what we do with our customer data platform or our product data platform, or all of the work we're doing at customers to help them organize and harness their data. Because if you do that, I think the path to intelligence and all the cognitive stuff that's really cool, the time to value is just going to be incredibly fast.
It's true. And you have to have your digital core ready to actually be able to harness the power of what you can do with generative AI. My final question, I might have a fun one for you at the end, but my final question is when you are looking at the next 12 months in generative AI, what are you hearing from your customers on what they are excited about or what they need or what they want with generative AI?
I think actually the biggest thing is, usually any new technology is overhyped.
Okay.
everything we can think about in time.
Yeah.
It's been overhyped, and there's been this sort of period of time disillusionment
Okay.
before it really breaks through. I don't think we're going to see that, particularly AI. I think people are actually underestimating some of its potential impact in terms of how we access information at all levels of the company, how we think about work and productivity, how it can augment the work of every worker in a company, and the sort of productivity opportunity. I think some people, it's 10 to 20, I think it's 40 to 50% productivity opportunity out there to harness. Of course, it's going to take time to adopt. It's going to be hard, but I think we're limited now more by imagination than by capability. Yeah.
I think that, it's interesting. I'll say two things. One, I do think sometimes tech is art, if you think about it to your point around creativity. And the other thing that I love about Oracle and the value proposition you bring is not only can Oracle bring incredible richness to the application stack, Oracle also offers the security with everything that you bring in your entire digital core.
I love that, the security piece, because I love it from where I sit, because I'm responsible for the applications business. It's something I don't need to worry about. I just know, you listened to Larry yesterday and talking about what we're doing to enhance network level security. And then we're thinking about stuff. How do we get these next levels of safeguard?
Yeah.
So we can really focus on solving the business problem, because we sort of take it for granted in a way, because I know there's thousands of people at Oracle that wake up every day to make sure we got the best, most robust security layers across everything that we do.
Do you know who won the Super Bowl, speaking of the NFL and data, in 1977, the year that Oracle was founded?
Wow. I probably have to guess something like the Green Bay Packers or something. Good.
I'm from Minnesota. It was the Oakland Raiders beat the Minnesota Vikings in the 1977 Super Bowl. Anyway, Rod, thank you so much for joining me here today. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
I just want to thank you. You're such an amazing partner, not just you, but Accenture, such an amazing part of our success.
Same.
More to come.
More to come.
Yeah.